Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make some super delicious garlic honey glazed chicken rice bowl. Interested and want to see this recipe? Please keep on watching. Cooking made easy. Here is an overview of all the ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe. We have the organic meat seasoning. We also have some onion and bell peppers. We have some minced garlic, some sesame oil. We have some honey. We have some low sodium soy sauce, cornstarch, and some baking soda. And we're also gonna be using some sesame seed as well. So for starters, we are going to season the chicken. And to season the chicken, I am using the organic spicy meat seasoning. If you're interested on trying this meat seasoning, I'll make sure to have it in the description below. We are gonna be adding some cornstarch and some baking soda. The baking soda is what's going to make the chicken super tender. And we also added a little bit of soy sauce and we are going to mix it well. And after we fully mix the seasoning with the chicken, we are going to allow it to season for a good 20 minutes. If you are crunching for time, you can start cooking right away. Now to cook the chicken, I heat up some oil and now we are going to start frying the chicken. We are not going to fry it for it to be over crispy, but when you are cooking the chicken, make sure you keep switching its side, and when you no longer see pink, you will know the chicken is ready. And if you are new here, my name is Claude Mart, owner of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you're interested in trying one of our seasoning, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. Now that the chicken is ready, we are going to move it off the pan and then we are going to follow the same method to cook the remaining of the chicken. Now that the chicken is done, now I'm going to heat up some oil again and we are going to saute the bell peppers and the onion. Make sure you are keep mixing them until they are fully caramelized and tender. After they are caramelized and tender, we are going to add some minced garlic and make sure you mix it well. The garlic that I am using also have some chili paste in there. However, whichever garlic that you have will work just as well. After we added the minced garlic, I'm going to add some soy sauce, some sesame seed oil, and then we are going to add some honey. And we are going to let that simmer for 5 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, I decided to add a teaspoon of the organic meat seasoning. If you don't have the meat seasoning, you can use whatever seasoning that you have in your pantry, or you can simply use some seasoning salt. While our sauce is simmering, the remaining of the cornstarch, I diluted it with a little bit of water and added in the sauce. That's what's going to help our sauce to get thicker. And after that, it is optional. I decided to add some white sesame seed. If you don't have any white sesame seed, you can make your recipe just simple without it. And after the sauce got thickened, we're going to add back the chicken, mix it well for an additional 5 minutes and low heat, and our recipe will be done. And this spicy honey chicken, I am going to serve it over white jasmine rice. And I decided to add some more chili pepper flakes. This doesn't make it spicy, it is more for looks at this point. But if you don't want to have any extra heat, you can skip that part. And here is a closer look of our recipe. We're just going to let it simmer on low heat for an additional 3 minutes. Then we are going to begin plating. And here is the final result of our recipe. As you can see, the chicken look extremely tender. The baking soda make the chicken very tender. No, this recipe is not overly sweet. The honey and the soy sauce have a nice balance in there. As you can see, this recipe was very easy to put together. I usually make a big batch. It is great to do as a meal prep. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you make this recipe, comment below, let me know what you'll do differently. And if you are new here and you like this type of video, please remember to subscribe to help support my channel and to help me grow. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. Cooking made easy.